Hello guys, I hope you're enjoying the winter well. But please don't forget to moisturize your skin and hair and cracked heels and your hands and feet in this winter. And for that, I will be discussing few hacks of glycerin. Glycerins are used in cosmetics industry and for soap industries. This is the key source of moisture in your cosmetics. This is a glycerin that I am using. It is only 75 rupees and you can get it from any medicine store. You just need to go to the medicine store and you have to ask for a glycerin. They will give you. One bottle of glycerin will last you for at least 2 years because you need really in drops for the hacks. And this is just water-like, colorless, but very sticky. So for skincare, hack number 1. In winter, whenever you use face wash, put 2 or 3 drops of the glycerin into your face wash and then mix it like this on your palm and then wash your face. You will see that the natural moisture and the oil of the face will not be stripped off. You will never feel super dried face after the face wash. And even if you don't apply any moisturizer immediately after the face wash, you will not feel any stretches or very dead kind of skin. No, because this glycerin will keep the skin very soft and supple and it will help to retain the normal moisture of the skin. Hack number 2. You can use glycerin as a toner, not directly though. Take one pump bottle, half of it fill with glycerin and the remaining half with rose water. Shake it well and just spray on your face. You will see this toner will help to give a natural glow on your face without any stickiness, without any moisturizer. You can keep your face for at least 4 to 5 hours. Hack number 3. Whenever you are applying moisturizer on your face, maybe day cream or night cream, you can put 2 drops of this glycerin and in your palm just mix it well and then apply it throughout your face and neck. You will see that the longevity or the retention of the moisture of your skin will be at least increased by 3 to 4 hours if you add this glycerin. Hack number 4. If you are using any kind of face mask, maybe some branded or maybe homemade DIY kind of face masks, you can add 2 to 3 drops of the glycerin into the face mask paste and you can apply it. Then you will see after washing the face, you will see the difference because your face will have a very natural glow and it will be retained at least 3 to 4 hours more than what result you get for a normal application. Hack number 5. In winter, body lotion is a must for everyone because we feel our hands and feet and our skin, it is entirely parched and very dry. So what you need to do is you need to add 2 to 3 drops of the glycerin into your body lotion and mix it well like this and apply it into your hand and feet. You will see that normally our body lotion, whenever it comes into contact with the clothes, it gets absorbed with the clothes or the moisture is lost within 2 to 3 hours. But if you add this glycerin, it will help the moisturizer or the body lotion to penetrate even deeper into your skin and the moisture will be retained for at least 3 to 4 hours more. Now hack number 6. For hand creams and for feet creams, you can add 2 to 3 drops of glycerin and you can use it. Now hack number 7. In winter, we all have very dry, cracked lips. Get rid of that. Just 1 drop and apply it on your lips directly. Don't mix it with any of the lip balms. Just take it into your fingertip, apply on your lip and just sleep. Next day morning, neither the cracks of the lips will be there and nor any tans will be there. You will get super soft, pinkish, tender kind of lips overnight. Now hack number 8. Many of us suffer from cracked heels in winter especially. For them, glycerin works wonder. Put the glycerin directly on your cracks, put the socks on for the entire night. Next day morning, your cracks will be absolutely vanished and your heel area will be super soft. But please don't forget to wear those socks because glycerin is very sticky and if you don't wear the socks, then it will catch dust and pollution into the cracks that you already have. It may make your heels even more painful, so please don't forget to keep the socks on. Now hack number 9. You can use glycerin as a very good hair serum as well. What you need to do, just take one spray bottle, fill it with glycerin half and the remaining half either with aloe vera gel or with rose water. Even if you want, you can add normal water. Shake it well and just spray throughout the hair when your hair is damp after shampoo. You will see this serum will provide moisture to your hair as well as it will give a very good shine on your hair. So these are the hacks that I often use for myself and not only for winter, throughout the year. And I really wondered that we use so many expensive products, but sometimes things which are very cheap and very affordable and very available at your home can give you even better result than big branded ones. By using any of these hacks, you will really be impressed with the result, because the results are really effective. Only for cracked lips and for cracked heels, you can use glycerin directly without mixing in any base. But in any other of the hacks, among all the 9 hacks, just mix it with some base. Something should be there in the mixture along with the glycerin. Otherwise, it will be too sticky for you to keep, number 1. And number 2, it will catch more dust. So these were the glycerin hacks for winter. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.